I need to tell you the truth about credit repair, and it's simple. Disputing is not enough. Disputing negative events on your credit score does exactly what it sounds like. It does not build your credit score. What if a credit repair specialist gave you all their strategies and put them into a guide? This ebook is called Game Made Easy Playbook. While the professionals do the disputing, you can pave your way to a 750 credit score. Get your copy and start playing the credit game like a pro. Ready for the kicker? It's only 27 bucks. Like I said, disputing is not enough. Having bad credit probably stopped you from getting more credit cards and positive accounts reporting on your credit profile. Imagine dedicating just 2 hours a day for the next 30 days and ending up with the highest credit score increase you have seen in years. Click the link down below to get your copy.